This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and to run your business.
Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and I am in beautiful Sydney, Australia, shooting at the Royal Botanical Gardens today. I'm going to be bringing you behind the scenes on a portrait photography tutorial here with one of the girls that I met in the Build and Bloom Facebook group, which is my online photography community. In today's video, I'm going to be shooting on my Canon 5D Mark IV and then my 50mm 1.2 lens from Canon. Before we hop into the video, I want to thank Squarespace for making today's tutorial here in Sydney possible.
A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a polished and professional portfolio can get us those $1,000 clients. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for websites and domains. Photographers, it's time to be done settling for slow-loading websites with tedious plugins. I trust Squarespace's all-in-one platform to keep me booked and busy. Pick from one of their dozens of contemporary drag-and-drop layouts, host your custom domain and email with them, and even conduct successful email campaigns. Everything you need to run a successful photography business under their umbrella and at your fingertips. You can head to squarespace.com to begin your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain.
Yourself, can you give your hair a little bit of a zhuzh? Oh, and let's take your hair tie off too.
Oh, right.
Put it in your pocket because I will forget. I have a collection of hair ties. So cute, Angie. Cute, big smile. Yes, love, love, love. Gorgeous, so pretty, and do a big smile. I'm just gonna get this one piece of hair. Gorgeous. Let's do, since you have these really great sleeves, what if you bring them up by your face and then maybe turn slightly to the side for me? Beautiful. Oh my gosh, we have all this beautiful light, and kind of bring the shoulder up. Yeah. We have all this beautiful light streaming in from this big tree right below. Yes, beautiful. Big smiles for me, gorgeous. So Angie and I met via Build and Bloom, same for Emma who's filming right now. I just did a little model call in there and it worked out great. So I don't know anyone in Australia, but because of Build and Bloom, I do now. And they were the first ones to respond and we set everything up. And so Build and Bloom's such a great resource for that. Good. I'll have you stand right here so that we get this big overarching tree. We'll get some of the flowers right behind it. Very pretty. Kind of a fun thing to do is show you guys the difference between 1.2, 1.4, and 1.8 on the 50mm lens. Now I am going to be adjusting the shutter speed as I adjust the aperture. Now we're going to shoot at 1.4 and then I'm going to bring the aperture to be 500. Same exact pose. Now we're going to open it up all the way to 1.2 and I'm actually going to keep the aperture at, let's do 640. Okay, cute. Okay, now we're going to do that close up and then I'm going to show the differences when you're shooting on 1.2, 1.8, and 1.4. Now, if you want a video though where I compare the three different lenses, the 1.8, the 1.4, and the 51.2, I have a video all on that. I'll link it in the eye here or down below. But in this, I think it might just be fun to show you what it looks like just on the 1.2 lens. But remember, this is the highest lens in that lineup, the highest quality. So this isn't an accurate representation of using the nifty 50, the 51.8 actual lens. Definitely check out the video for that kind of reference. Shutter speed is 400, and this is f1.8. Let's do a big smile because you have such a good smile. Yes, beautiful. You just adjust a tiny bit. Yep, and stay just like that. Now I'm going to open it up to 1.4, bring my shutter speed to 640, and now I'm going to bring it to 1.2 and bring my shutter speed to 800. My ISO is 160. So you can just see ever so slightly on the screen. And in here, so cute. I think you're gonna love them. Like, love.
Oh my God.
You're doing so good. Good.
I love these so much.
Good.
Ooh, okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good, good.
Oh my God. The
You
wind
have
came
the
in.
best smile
Thank you.
on earth. Wait, hold on. I have to go grab the award. Oh, I have to carry this in my bag. It's the Best Smile Award.
Oh my God, thank you so
You're
much.
so welcome. You're so welcome. We'd like to thank the Academy. We've moved up the path a little bit to this really cute gate. So, Angie, I'm gonna have you take a stand for what you believe in here. And then I'm shooting a little bit lower. Oh man, okay, there we go. Beautiful. Why don't you take a step forward and do a big smile? Hee hee hee. Yeah, cute, cute, cute. So we're gonna end here in this beautiful big palm tree. I've never seen a palm tree like this before. Oh, it's a few put together. Where's the light coming from? I'm the photographer. Hey, you guys know where the light? I feel like it's here. So let's flip over. Oh, but this side is more fluffy. This would be when a reflector comes in handy. Oh, you know what? I do have something we could use kind of as a reflector. I have this. This kind of will bring a little bit of the, yeah.
If you want me to hold that.
I'm just testing it. It gives a little bit of one. You can actually have a whole DIY video, 3 DIY reflectors of things that you most likely already have in your car. Go check that out, linked in the iCard. Okay, so Angie, I'm gonna have you stand, I think right here. So we have a lot of like background here. We have this, we have this. It is pretty dark, but that's where we bring the reflector in. Dude, it's working. The reflector's working. I can't. Now bring your face down ever so slightly. Yeah, pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I think we got it. What do you think?
Yeah, I think
we
so.
took 429.
But we got it.
I think we got 1 or 2 maybe.
1 or 2.
All right, that was the tutorial. I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you feel encouraged and inspired. And if you want to view the full set of images, I'm going to have it linked down below. Be sure to join the Build and Bloom Facebook group if you haven't already. It's an incredible resource that's free to use. Build and Bloom is a great resource for photographers of all stages of the game, but especially for those who are just starting out and who want to receive encouragement, who want to receive feedback on their work, or even when it comes to handling sticky client situations. And if you love what you see here on YouTube, you might just love my online photography business workshop, where I teach you from A to Z how to build and run a sustainable photography business in your own backyard or anywhere you want in the world. For more information about my online photography workshop, you can visit jessicawhitaker.co/workshop to read testimonials and reviews and the full lesson plan of everything that I teach in 6.5 hours in my online workshop. I'm here on YouTube teaching for you every single week. And if you want to be the first to know when a new tutorial for your business comes out, be sure to hit subscribe. I believe in you, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.